Hi Gemini, welcome back to Omkara Tarot and the last love bite for the month. Let's see what's the message here for you, Gemini. And these are general collective readings, will not resonate with all of you. Take what works for you, leave the rest. So let's begin. My angel spirit guides, please bless this reading for Gemini and send them the messages they need to hear the most right now. Thank you. So Gems, this is going to be a small little mini love bite for you. Let's see what message wants to show through for you today. And welcome back all my subscribers. Welcome in newbies. If you enjoyed the reading, do join us. Be part of our Omkara family. We welcome you in. And if any of you are looking for a private reading, Gemini, my email is in the description box below. You can reach me there. So the cards I have till now on the table, Gemini, is the Queen of Cups, Death, Page of Pentacles, Four of Pentacles, Two of Pentacles, Seven of Wands, Page of Cups, Two of Wands, and the Five of Cups. And the Wheel of Fortune in reverse at the moment, Gemini. Things are stuck between the two of you. Things are really not moving forward. I think somebody's dropped the ball here. There is a Queen of Cups who's facing away from the connection and not completely let go, I won't say that, but there's a lot of stagnancy. Somebody says, hey, I'm not fighting for this connection anymore. So let's start with some dialogue message cards here, Gemini. Let's see what's going on, then we'll clarify these cards. Gemini and their person, Spirit. Gemini and their person. If they could say something to each other now. Some more from here. Gemini and their person. If they could say something to each other now. Gemini and their person. Thank you. And I'll take a couple from here as well. Messages from the heart. Gemini and their person. Thank you. All right, all good to go, Gemini. Let's begin our reading with the first card, which says, I try and detach and let go, but then I get flooded with telepathy, dreams, and your strong sexual energy, which takes me over. Damn it. Yes, there is somebody here who's kind of turning away from this connection, no longer wanting to invest all their time, energy, love into it. But yes, the attachment is still there. It hasn't completely let go either. A little bit of fear of totally detaching, not being able to. So I think the connection has slowed down to quite an extent. I know that I shouldn't compare others to you, but I just can't help it. You're a tough act to follow and absolutely no one measures up. No matter what has happened between us, you are still the one. You are my muse. If only you knew how much you have inspired me. Darling, you're my masterpiece. I wish I could let go of fear to tell you how and show you how much you've inspired me. Your indecision is a decision, and your non-action is an action. Decisions and actions have consequences, and this includes not making a decision or taking action towards me. So somebody is pulling away, saying, you keep saying this, but you never make a decision. You never, take action. But the other person is saying, you are my muse. If only you knew. If I didn't have fear, I'd be able to show you. Next card says, life is too short to keep your feelings to yourself. I cannot stay silent any longer with these words hidden inside my heart and soul because they want to burst out of my chest and my mouth. I love you. So as much as this Queen of Cups, I think, feels their partner doesn't love them, maybe they're just unspoken in their partner's heart. Loving you is the most natural yet scary thing I've ever done. Deep in my heart, I know that you're the one for me. I promise my soul will be by your side for eternity. Do you think about me? they feel their partner's already dropped them, already released them. So they wonder that, I feel your energy leaving me, you're no longer showing all that love and affection anymore. I have fear, I haven't been able to tell you, but I just want to know, do you still think of me? I want to hold you and never let go. I have to juggle a lot of responsibility right now. All right, so things are stuck between the two of you, Gemini. Let's see what's going on. Queen of Cups and the Death in reverse, Spirit. What's this? Before I clarify these cards, Gems, I'm going to take an angel blessing card just to see what blessing, advice, message or guidance can come from my angels. Be brave. Okay, so let go of that fear, Gems. If this is you having the fear, or maybe it's Gemini's partner who has the cross watcher has the fear, whoever has that fear, I think it's time to get out of this feeling that you'll always look back and regret and sorrow of action which was not taken. It's time to be brave, Gemini. Or cross watcher, of course. These energies can be flipped. Okay, so Queen of Cups. Queen of Cups. Yes, this person I think is detaching from this connection because they feel a bit disrespected. Maybe they find their partner very rash and always in and out of their life and quick to come in, quick to leave, never really bringing any kind of stability to this connection. And this makes this Empress not feel grounded, feeling what's the point of this connection if it's never going to grow. So that's the reason this Queen of Cups is kind of pulling away and saying, I think I might as well kind of not pour in anymore. So, but why is the Death card in reverse still, Spirit? Because each time there is a return of the two of you, or whenever you guys do meet, there is a lot of wish fulfillment as well. So there is a little fear of totally letting go. Page of Pentacles. Page of Pentacles. Yes, I think there's the stagnancy, but somebody is still hoping for a transformation. Maybe things can, even though they've seemed like they've ended, maybe things can change one day. Maybe, work will be put back into this connection again. Maybe this can go the long haul. But as of now, I do see that somebody has released expectations. Four of Pentacles in reverse. Yes, because they feel I'm always in hermit mode. I always get left behind. I'm never given that attention. How long will I wait? I'm never given this secure place that I want to be in this connection. And because of this, and after thinking about it, contemplating it, deciding it's time that I drop waiting around. I release this connection because it's not going anywhere. Two of Pentacles in reverse. Yes, they want the truth, or they've decided if it's not going to be clear, open, direct, and have some kind of a plan in action for the future, then it's better that I drop it and stop fighting for this connection. I think whoever this feminine energy is here, Gems, is deciding to not fight for this connection anymore. Because I think they've waited and waited. And as much as they really do like their partner, the Gems. I don't know which side is you, but the feminine does like the masculine very much. They see the masculine as a King of Wands, a person who's a go-getter, handsome, looks good, travels, takes care of work, there are many projects going on. Everything is correct except never offering them stability and a commitment. Never acknowledging the connection. So, what's this Page of Cups now, Spirit? Page of Cups. Page of Cups. Yes, I think since this feminine has kind of kind of pulled back and is no longer kind of really talking as much. A little bit of imbalance has come into this connection because maybe it was always one person pouring and the other one taking. So now, since one person has kind of shut down, the imbalance has come into this connection, and somebody is realizing now that there's no more love being offered. They feel whatever game they played here, whatever, you know, game I guess this person was playing, that it's, my way or the highway, and this is the way I like to do things, and they just wanted to win over everybody else to show who's the boss, right? But now they feel, oh my God, now there's no love coming towards me. In all this game, I think the only loser was me. The person who was playing the games, this King of Wands. They feel a decision has been made. Their partner's no longer at crossroads, waiting around for them anymore. Two of Wands, Spirit, in reverse. Two of Wands in reverse. Yes, they would have preferred, and now they're realizing, I kept them, in this juggling energy for too long. I kept them stuck for too long, and they waited. They're realizing that yes, my partner did wait for me for a very long time. I was kind of never there for them, maybe juggling them with something else, maybe work or another person. And now that my partner is no longer waiting, I don't even know what to say and how to get back into their good books. What kind of apology do I take? Now, whoever this masculine is feeling, now they have bad luck. And all they can do is now look back with regret and sorrow about the things, the way they've not worked out. Page of Cups, Spirit, why is this person sitting in regret? Because things have stagnated. Because things have totally come to a halt. Look at this horse, not even moving, right? So they feel, oh my God, there's stagnancy now. And it seems that instead of me playing all those games, they feel my partner's now snuck away from this connection, no longer offering me nothing. So gems, this relationship has taken a bit of a wrong turn here because of a lack of equal give and take. And there is somebody here who feels because they didn't make a decision on time and maybe brought competition or whatever to the connection, now they are getting the brunt of it. They are suffering from bad luck because this wheel of fortune is now stuck and this connection has stopped moving. But what my angels are trying to say here is you can still pick yourself up, be brave, and say what's in your heart. You can't just sit in regret and not apologize. Anyways, that's all I have for you, gems. We'll check more into their heart space next time. Till then, love and light. Take care. Namaste.